All right, guys, 1972 Mach 1 Mustang with a 410 stroker motor. Look at this sucker. It's clean. You don't see these every day. It's a work in progress. He's fixing it up little by little. So he's got long tube headers there and there. Then he's got his own exhaust system that he had with an H-pipe installed somewhere else. And then he had some hooker mufflers there and there installed. And what we did is we ran him two tailpipes, one on each side right there and right there, as you guys can see. And put him some new tips on it to finish the look. Looks really nice, really clean. It's all a 2.5-inch system all the way back. So hooker mufflers, 2.5-inch pipe, H-pipe for cross flow, and long tube headers there and there. Very nice, very clean, as you guys can see all the way back. So we're about to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know. I always had a fond liking for these. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think of this body style? Should they bring it back, the Mach 1, or not? I think they should. It's clean. Check it out on the inside. Here's all mint. It's a clean car, guys. Look at this thing. Wow. Beautiful. That's how they all need to be. Little by little, gets better and better. Those hooker mufflers sound really good. Are the headers hookers too? Here's sound decibels. Again. 103. Not bad. Sorry guys, they have construction going on. What do you guys think? Should he paint the top black and keep it all like that and just clear coat it or repaint it? Let us know in the comments, guys. Should he repaint it or just paint it like match it up top and bottom and just clear coat it? I say keep it patina and just paint the top black, the wing black, and then just clear coat it. Oh, it sounds so good. Classic muscle. You don't get it out of the new cars anymore like this. Let you guys hear on the inside. Guys, it makes 530 horses. Look at this thing. Wow. Definitely a sleeper. Beautiful. Really cleanly done. Oh, wow. Very nice. Don't ever underestimate these old cars, guys, because you never know what's under the hood. The hood pins. Some finagling, but you know what? That's what makes it a classic car. Yeah. I love it. Really nice. I like the double scoop, double ram hood, dual ram hood. What is it called? Oh, 351 Ram Air. It's got a 410 in it. 510 horsepower. The power of this thing. Oh, he's trying to catch up. Dual action for you. Enjoy, guys. Peace. Boom.